I'm going to use a darker shade to contour. This is going to be a bit intense. Whoa. Okay, now I'm going to take an even darker shade, a bronzer, and contour my face even more. Okay, so now I'm going to use a white eyeliner. I'm going to put it all over the lid and underneath the eyes as well. I look so silly. Set with powder. Okay, now it's time to contour the eyes. So I'm going to grab, where'd it go? This colour. And using black, doing the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to apply the brown just under the white, and then I'm going to like smudge it out to sort of give the illusion of larger, cute deer eyes. Eyeliner time. Okay, let's make myself look more like a reindeer. A little black nose on there. Oh, that tickles. Okay, so I have decided to use some clown white because it's proper white, and I'm just going to put it onto the areas of my eyes just to intensify them a bit more, and I'm also going to put some white on the highlighted areas to really highlight. Whoops. Whoops. It's time to put these bad boys on. So these antlers I actually made. They are really easy to make. I basically just grabbed tin foil, scrunched it up, moulded it into a desired antler shaped tin foil mould, and then I grabbed some latex, painted all over the antler, and then I used a hot setting on a hairdryer to dry it, and then I repeated this step about 3 to 4 times until I got the desired like texture and consistency. I didn't want any of the tin foil showing through. And then after that I used grease paint, and I used a light brown to start off with, covered it all over to get a base coat colour, and then I went in with a dark brown and basically filled in like the crevices and the dips to add more contour and definition and depth. And then I used a bit of black just around like the edges to add more shadows, and then I finished off using white and applied it to like the ridges and the raised areas for highlights. So that's how I got these little bad boys right here, and I'm gonna stick them on to my head. Okay, I think that's the best I can blend it out to. I think it's staying. I can feel it kind of falling forward a bit, so I'm just going to keep my head like this while I work on the other one. Tiny, tiny, tiny lash. Some little polka dots on my face. Do is just fluffen and define my eyebrows. I'm going to put some white hairspray on because snow. Oh shit!